To bleed the lines on a Rotary XA14, first make sure that plug A inside of the power unit console is engaged. Next, on the console, press the up button until platform 1 is raised to full height. The position of platform 2 is not important. Now, on platform 1, prop the lock ladder up. Then loosen screw 4 on the cylinder to bleed the air. During this procedure, platform 2 may lower a little. Once all of the air has been bled out of the cylinder, tighten screw 4 again. Next, remove the block that's propping up the lock ladder. Then disconnect the compressed air supply so that the mechanical stop on P1 remains fastened on the last tooth of the lock. Now, place a spacer under the lock ladder on the P2 cylinder so the locks will not engage during lowering. Next, at the base of the P2 cylinder, open stopcock R. Then, press the down button to lower platform P2 to the floor. Now raise the platform until it is between 2 and 3 feet from the ground. Then lower it to the floor. Repeat this step 2 to 3 more times. After making sure that there is enough oil in the control unit, raise platform P2 between 4 and 5 feet high. Then close stopcock R. Next, remove the spacer from under the lock ladder. Reattach the compressed air and lower the lift by about 19 inches. Then open stopcock R. Now position platform P2 about 3/8 of an inch lower than platform 1. Then close stopcock R. Fasten the lock nuts and lower both platforms to the floor. Finally, inside of the power unit console, disconnect plug A, and the bleeding procedure is complete.